did the I think it was like the introduction to HTML and CSS. I think the trainer was really clear. He was really good, and it like really helped us understand the basics really. I think the trainer was really good. Like I say, he was really clear, really nice, and went sort of at a pace that we could, because we were at two different, there was two of us and we were at two different sort of levels. He paced it really well for both of us. Yeah, he was good. Yeah, definitely. I think you know, doing it remotely really helps because you can concentrate when you're at home. Yeah, I think it works really well. Yeah, definitely.